Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Upstart Loan. Upstart is an online lending platform that provides personal loans, car loan refinancing, and home equity lines of credit. It aims to simplify borrowing with fast approval, transparent terms, and competitive rates. Let's see its features. Upstart offers personal loans with low fixed rates and no prepayment penalties, car loan refinancing to save money on existing loans, and home equity lines of credit with simple terms and flexible amounts. The platform emphasizes quick funding, with most loans delivered the next business day, and competitive APR ranges tailored to borrower profiles. Users start by checking their rate online in just a few minutes. After verifying personal information, most borrowers are instantly approved. Once approved, funds are typically sent within one business day. The platform allows borrowers to choose loan amounts, repayment terms, and options suited to their financial goals. Here, we will talk about pricing and plans. Personal loans range from $1,000 and up, with APRs significantly lower than traditional models. Car loan refinancing and HELOC options provide additional financial flexibility, with clear upfront terms and no hidden fees. Now, we will see its reviews on Trustpilot. Most users praise the fast approval process, transparent rates, and quick funding. A very small percentage of reviews report issues, but overall, Upstart is considered a legitimate and reliable platform for personal lending. Here, we will talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, Upstart may approve borrowers with limited or fair credit because it considers factors like education and work history. Approved loans are funded quickly, often within 1 to 2 business days, and there is no prepayment penalty, allowing borrowers to pay off the loan early without extra fees. On the downside, high origination fees, often a percentage of the loan amount, reduce the actual funds you receive. APRs can be quite high for borrowers with weaker credit, and the platform does not allow co-signers or joint applications, so you must qualify on your own. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.